Hello everyone and welcome. I'm Alex, the architect for Back4App, and today we got great news for those of you using continuous delivery and continuous integration on your development process. We created a Docker container containing the command line interface, the CLI, for Back4App already installed and configured, so all you have to do is put your account key and integrate it to your development pipelines. So to do so, you can go to hub.docker.com, search for Back4App. You'll find Back4App/B4A CLI. You can get the Docker pull command, paste inside your terminal. This will bring the image locally. Then you can type Docker images. So you'll find the image ID. I'm going to copy this value, and then I have to create a container based on this image. So I'm going to type Docker run D for detached mode, E for interactive mode, and T for TTY, and then the image ID. It will create a container for me, so I can type Docker PS-A. So here's my container, and now I'm going to execute this container by typing Docker exec -it, the container ID, and /bin/bash. Once inside the container, I can type B4A configure account key -d. It will ask me for my account key. Then I'm going back to Back4App website. Once you're logged in, here on your username you'll find account keys. Here is my account key. If you don't have one, you can create by clicking this plus button here. I'm going to paste this value here. And once it's configured, I can type B4A new. It will ask me if I want a new project or existing one, so I'm typing existing. And here are all my projects that I can now interact with using this Docker container. So I hope you like this video and hope you used our container, and hope to see you back soon. See you soon. Bye bye.